Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know that in the last lecture, I have discussed the morphology of root and the morphology of stem. Now, in this lecture, I'll be discussing the morphology of leaf. Now, as far as this leaf is concerned, you already know that leaf एक ऐसा portion है which usually performs photosynthesis. So it is actually a photosynthetic part of the plant which is usually green in color. It is a lateral appendage जिस point से leaf arise होता है, the point from which leaf arises, this point it is called as node. Now as far as this leaf is concerned, broadly classified, there are three important functions of leaf. जहां leaf का सवाल है, तीन important functions इस leaf के हैं. The first important function, it is called as photosynthesis. The second important function, it is called as gaseous exchange. In gaseous exchange, plant releases oxygen for the survival of aerobic organisms, and in turn, it takes up a carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Besides these two important processes, this leaf is also involved in transpiration, that is water loss. This gaseous exchange and transpiration occurs by tiny pores. These tiny pores are called as stomata. Now, बेटा इस लेक्चर में हम लीफ के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स की बात करेंगे. Now, as I said that leaf morphology में हम first I'll discuss the parts of leaf. अगर हम parts of leaf की बात करते हैं, now as far as this leaf is concerned, the first important thing, जिस point से leaf arise होता है, this point is called as node. Now this portion, the stalk of leaf, now this structure is called as stalk of leaf, and this stalk of leaf, it is called as petiole. The point of attachment of petiole to the stem, it is called as leaf base. And the main photosynthetic part of the leaf, it is called as lamina, or it is also called as leaf blade. Now on this leaf blade or lamina, it is usually green in color. You always find a main vein which is present in the center. This main vein, it is called as midrib, which contains vascular bundles, that is xylem and phloem. The periphery of the leaf, that means this part, the periphery of the leaf is called as margin, and this tip of the leaf, it is called as apex. Now, as far as this petiole is concerned, ये petiole जो है एक angle बनाता है stem के साथ. Now, the angle which is formed between the petiole and the main stem, this position, it is called as axil. And in this axil, there is a bud, there is a small bud